Child's Bojo. Welcome back to Anomalous Conversation. Today we're doing Cup of Child. Here we go. It's comforting at first, like a blanket wrapped around my soul. My mind feels light, floating, but underneath there's a sharp tug pulling behind me, pulling me down. I thought I'd feel free, but now all I feel is small, frail, fragile, afraid. That's very... That turned immediately. No. Oh my god, it is literally covering my whole screen. You are the centipede lady. That is the centipede lady. Oh my lord. Okay. I don't like that you're in the smack middle too. Okay, that is the Cup of Child. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.